Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. So today we will discuss about endocrine glands. Endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are black ducts and secrete their secretions called hormones directly into the blood. A hormone is a chemical messenger produced by an endocrine gland, released into the blood and transported to a distant organ called target organ. Endocrine system. Chemical nature of hormones. Chemical nature of hormones. Chemically, hormones are either peptides or proteins and amines, steroids or fatty acids. On the basis of chemical nature, hormones are classified into different groups. So first, protein or peptide hormones. Example: insulin, glucagon, antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin, prolactin, calcitonin. Then glycoprotein hormones, follicular stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. Next to amino acid derivatives, epinephrine and norepinephrine, and thyroxine, triiodothyroxine, T3 or T3 and T4 hormones, and melatonin. Next, steroid hormones, glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. Next, fatty acid derivatives. These hormones, local hormones produced by all tissues, they are involved in regulation of inflammatory responses and blood pressure. So endocrine glands. The endocrine system of man consists of distinct glands and less organized tissues located in various parts of the body. The main endocrine glands are the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary and testes. The hypothalamus is a part of brain and thus comprise nervous tissue. The pituitary and pineal glands are pure endocrine glands. So both are pure endocrine glands that are closely associated with the hypothalamus. They are closely associated with hypothalamus. Thus they constitute the neuroendocrine glands. Neuroendocrine neuroendocrine system. In this, the hypothalamus acts as a master control facility, and controls all other endocrine glands through the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the master gland of endocrine system. Master gland of endocrine system, which in turn controls other endocrine glands through its tropic hormones. First, we will discuss about hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a region of forebrain below the thalamus. It performs neutral and endocrine function. It helps in the maintain of osmoregulation and body temperature. The neurosecretory cells present in the hypothalamus act as endocrine cells and secrete 9 hormones, commonly called as releasing hormones. Hypothalamus hormones, also called as releasing hormones and releasing inhibitory hormones. Releasing inhibitory hormones. They control the endocrine functions of the anterior pituitary. So hormones of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus secretes 9 types of releasing and releasing inhibitory hormones. In this, first one, thyrotropin releasing hormone or TRH. It is a tripeptide. It is a tripeptide. Then second one, gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH. Growth hormone releasing hormone GHRH. Corticotropin releasing hormone. Growth hormone releasing inhibiting hormone. Prolactin releasing hormone. Prolactin releasing inhibitory hormone. Melanocytic stimulating hormone releasing hormone. Melanocyte stimulating hormone releasing inhibitory hormone. Total 9 types of hormones released by hypothalamus. In this first one, thyrotropin releasing hormone TRH. It is a tripeptide. It stimulates adenohypophysis to release thyroid stimulating hormone and prolactin. Next, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is a peptide hormone. It stimulates pituitary to release FSH and LH, follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Through these two hormones is triggers sexual development and regulates normal sexual functions. Then third one, growth hormone releasing hormone. It is a mixture of two peptides. It stimulates cells in the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone GH. Fourth one, corticotropin releasing hormone CRH. It is also peptide hormone. It stimulates anterior pituitary to release adenocorticotropin hormone. Corticotropin releasing hormone is also synthesized by the placenta. It determines the duration of pregnancy and protects the fetus from immune attack by T cells of mother. Then fifth one, growth hormone releasing inhibitory hormone. It inhibits the release of growth hormone by the adenohypophysis. Next, sixth one, prolactin releasing hormone. PRH. It stimulates anterior pituitary to the release prolactin. The milk producing hormone. Prolactin is a milk producing hormone. Next, seventh one, prolactin releasing inhibitory hormone. It inhibits the release of prolactin by adenohypophysis. Next, eighth one, melanocyte stimulating hormone releasing hormone MSHRH. So it stimulates the release of MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, which controls skin color. The next to last one, melanocyte stimulating hormone releasing inhibitory hormone. It inhibits MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, released from anterior pituitary. In addition to above hormones, hypothalamus also produces two peptide hormones called vasopressin and oxytocin. This is a total information of hypothalamus. So hypothalamus produce 9 types of hormones. So these hormones also called as releasing and releasing inhibitory hormones.